Hello, welcome to the Basics of Investing course. I'm Utkarsh, your instructor for this journey into the world of stock trading and investing. You might be here because you are a beginner struggling to get started in the stock market, or perhaps you are already trading but wish to gain deeper insights into this business. Whatever your goal is, I'm confident you'll find something valuable in this course. Before diving into the content, let me briefly walk you through the curriculum to help you gain maximum benefit. This course is divided into 4 broad sections. These sections are further divided into subsections. First, answers to beginners' queries. The first 3 sections address over 30 common questions that beginners often have. Second, financial statements and value investing basics. You'll learn how to analyze financial statements of any company. We'll also explore Benjamin Graham's value investing principles. Third, technical analysis. This section will introduce you to basic technical analysis concepts. I'll also share one of my favorite trading patterns applicable across time frames and asset classes. Last but not the least, options trading. You'll gain a comprehensive understanding of options basics, including option Greeks. If you are an absolute beginner, I recommend going through the course sequentially. If you already have some basic knowledge, feel free to jump to the section that interests you most. For any queries, please use the comment section. If you find this course valuable, please like this video, subscribe to the channel for more valuable content and share it with others who want to learn about the stock market. That's all from me for now. In the next video, we'll start with the basic fundamental understanding of the stock market. See you there.